Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find electronics on the StockX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the StockX app, then you have to tap on this search icon, and here you will see that you have different categories. At the top of the screen there are sneakers, streetwear, electronics, trading cards, collectibles, watches and handbags. To go to find electronics, you have to tap on the electronics menu, obviously, and here you will see the list of all the electronics listed on the site. And to search for specific ones, you will have to tap on this filter icon on the top right corner. And here you will see that you have these different options. You can select the results view, you can use this grid view or a list view, you can sort your searches by popularity, so this way you can find popular products that are trading right now on the StockX app. You can sort your products by bids, by average price, volatility or premium price. And obviously you can set these filters like brands. You can sort by brands, you can look for any kind of specific brand that you are interested in. You can go to price and below retail, and this way you can find any specific electronics and collectible items on StockX very easily. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.